Hey everybody, this is Zachary Scot Johnson, the Song a Day Project, where I try to record a song a day every day for as long as I can keep doing that. Happy and delighted to be here with Emily Barker. How are you?
I'm really good, thank you.
Thank you so much for doing this. This is great.
It's my pleasure. Thanks for coming down to the zoo.
I'm so happy to come down to the zoo. We already had tickets to come to the zoo. I was excited about this show. We're here because you are out on your first United States tour. You're opening for Mary Chapin Carpenter.
It's amazing. I'm a big fan of hers, and they're just beautiful venues that we're playing. Yeah, so it's sort of a dream come true. And
we get kind of unusual for this thing, which is that we're recording after your set. Usually it's beforehand, so I get to tell you what a great job you just did out there.
Thank you.
The audience loved you. Loved you.
Yeah, they were very nice.
It was great. It was great. So let's plug your newest record. Your newest record is a great record. It's called Sweet Kind of Blue.
Correct.
What can you tell us about this record?
Well, it was made in Memphis, Tennessee at Sam Phillips Recording Service, which is not Sun Records, the Sun Studios. It's around the corner from there. It was the studio that Sam Phillips designed himself in the late 50s. And it's sort of been laying a bit dormant, and it's just recently been refurbished, and so mine was one of the first records to be made there in a while.
Cool.
With Memphis legends, musicians that played with Al Green and Isaac Hayes and Carla Thomas and all sorts. So it was really fun. And it worked for this record. It's a great record. Thank you. So yeah, you're reaping the rewards now. You make a great record, you get to go on tour with Mary Chapin Carpenter. If only if it were that easy for all of us all the time, right? Totally. Anything you want to say about this song? This was my favorite on the record. I asked you if we could do it. I love this record and I love this song. But anything you want to say about this song? I wrote it with a wonderful songwriter from Sweden called Eric Palmqvist in Stockholm, and it's called Number 5 Hurricane. All right, let's give it a go. 2, 3. I remember when the shadows moved across your skin, and life was in our veins like a number 5 hurricane. I miss our words down the wire every day. It's true, I was never smart with love from the start. I got new arms to hold me, new rules to break, a new way of digging the most beautiful grave. Old bones to shake me back down to the ground. I got new arms to hold me when you're not around. Maybe I was wrong, maybe you were right all along. Without patterns and our scars, we turned ourselves into a work of art. But I still hold a flame. It brings me warmth, it brings me pain, and it's true, I guess you were right. I was never smart with love, never smart with love. I got new arms to hold me, new rules to break. A new way of taking the most beautiful break. Old bones to shake me back down to the ground. I got new arms to hold me. Now you're not around. And I'm sure I've seen this movie. Whenever will I learn all the plans that let me know. Back to the start I will return. New arms to hold me, new rules to break, a new way of taking the most beautiful grave. Old bones to shake me back down to the ground. I got new arms to hold me. Now you're not around. I got new arms to hold me. Now you're not around. New arms to hold me. Now you're not around.
Thank you. That is a gorgeous song.
Oh, thank you. Played beautifully.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.